What's up, savvy expats? Situated in one of the best cities within Manila, found in Ortigas, we're getting an exclusive tour into a one-bedroom unit done by Avida Towers. Now, although tidy in space, this unit I can be almost certain is for two demographics of people. Number one, for those of you looking to invest in the Philippines' booming real estate market, and number two, for you retirees looking for a passive income stream as you retire in the Philippines. Alright, with that being said, let's hop into your next investment opportunity. Alright, so right now we are outside of the showroom because I want to quickly introduce you to not only one of our most trusted, but also our go-to real estate contact on the channel. Hey Antonio.
Hi, I'm Antonio Makiling. I'm a manager here in Avida Ayala Land International, your trusted real estate agent.
And I specifically brought Antonio on board as a potential contact for you on the channel because he specializes in assuring that you find the best investment properties at affordable prices. And so, whether you're looking to invest in a property inside or outside of Metro Manila, Antonio is your guy, and all of his contact information will be linked down below. Let's head inside, shall we?
Let's go. Okay, so walking in your tidy and cozy unit, on your right side, you can see your kitchen. And when you go straight ahead, you can see your living room area. Okay, before we dive into that, a few key details we need to know. Number one is the selling price of this one-bedroom unit, which is 9 million pesos.
Or in dollars, $180,000.
Okay, to reserve a unit, you need to pay 20,000 pesos only.
And in dollars, that's only $400. And being situated ideally in the heart of Manila, this one bed, one bath unit is fitted with 37 square meters or 400 square feet of space.
The tower that we're in is called Verge Residences under Avida Ayala Land Development. Avida Land is under Ayala Land and is specifically for middle-class investors.
Now, later on in this video, we'll get more into the nitty-gritty of how to go about investing in this unit with little to no down payment, how much association dues are, and also the payment terms of investing in this condo.
Being 37 square meter in space, obviously it's a compact unit. To maximize your space, you put your kitchen here upon entry.
Now, bear in mind, when you purchase your unit, it will come almost completely bare and unfurnished. So, these quality cabinets, the induction stovetop, the range hood, the microwave, and also the fridge wouldn't come with your unit, but what does come with is the default generic brown that Avida provides, as well as the sink and the cabinets above, which would also be a generic brown. What also comes with your unit is this wood laminated flooring.
However, as you can see, this would be a beautiful design to potential furnish the kitchen as.
However, I can imagine putting a tiled backsplash like this along with cabinet space above and below would be the way to go to maximize your storage space. Not to mention, adding a simple set from IKEA like this will not only change the whole atmosphere of your home, but also you can increase the rental price of your unit if you want to invest. So to have a complete kitchen like this, while small, it has its own sink, ample cabinet space, the countertops, the induction stove, the range hood. This would really elevate your entire unit.
So walking further down the unit, past the fridge, on the right side, that's the bathroom, and on the left side is a plain wall.
Now, let me tell you, adding something as small as a mirror into your compact unit really opens up the entire space. And that's without a doubt the case with this mirror at the entrance. The unit looks much bigger as a result of this. Now, moving further down the unit, we pass by this tidy 4-person dining table, and then we open up into your living room. This small dining table right here would serve as enough space for a walkway while still having a place to eat.
So here we have the living room for which the purpose of example, and we furnish it with a small couch.
And so just across from the couch we have the TV, this granite style backsplash for the model unit, as well as shelving space. Again, with a unit like this, it's important to have as much shelving and cabinet space as possible because when you're living in a more compact square footage, then it's going to be a lot easier for you to store your items.
Another small detail with this model unit is we have this modern mirror design on the side of the wall. However, with your turnover condo, you will have a white plain wall.
Now, before I show you your bathroom, we all know that the most pertinent factor of investing in any sort of real estate is the location. Specifically with this condo at the Verge residences, you're situated in the central business district of Ortigas City. This means that you're walking distance from the premium shopping center of Podium Mall. You're within proximity to EDSA Shangri-La, which offers a diversity of retail stores and restaurants, and you're also close to Robinson's Galleria. Now, you're not just nearby some of the most notable malls in Manila, you're also close to the best business districts within the entire country. Being in the heart of Manila, you're in between Quezon City and just 10 minutes away from BGC and Makati CBD. And Ortigas itself, being a business district, offers an amazing blend between a work and play lifestyle. First off, the crowd here is predominantly young working professionals because Ortigas is comprised of many tall corporate office buildings. But aside from that, with the many restaurants, cafes, and coffee shops within the area, you can surely enjoy a nice metropolitan lifestyle here. So overall, your location is not only close to many of the top-notch things that all of Manila has to offer, but also a nice lifestyle within the city.
Now that we got that covered, before we go to the bedroom, allow me to showcase the bathroom. As you notice, in a 37 square meter condo, this is a sizable bathroom. Sizable enough to fit a washing machine, a vanity and sink, a toilet, a nice stand-up shower with a rain hose.
I specifically like the way that this bathroom was furnished because as compared to most other bathrooms, there is this tiled backsplash as well as a nice coat of blue. So this is another way you could potentially furnish your bathroom. So in short, a simple yet large bathroom to design as you please. Now let's go check out the master bedroom. So heading into your bedroom, we head into a pretty compact space that can appear large depending on how you furnish it.
With these furnitures, every corner of this bedroom is completely maximized.
And so here we have the closet space. Bear in mind that this type of closet wouldn't come with your bedroom, but you would get the generic Avida brown closets. And then also beside that, a small desk space to potentially work if you want to add that into your room as well. And a key detail that makes every part of this room utilized is the shelving space right here and also this cabinet lampstand. So every part of your room when you come to furnish it should be, or I suggest should be, furnished like this. Now at the very end of the bedroom, you may be surprised to see that there is enough space to fit a king size bed. And so you can imagine if you didn't need a big king size bed like this, or if you're just living alone, then you'd have even more space within your master bedroom. And speaking of, this condo would most definitely be ideal for 4 groups of people. Number 1, if you're a single person looking for a small, low maintenance unit situated within a metropolitan area, then this place is for you. Number 2, if you have a partner and you don't have any kids, then this space would also be ideal. 3, if you're a retiree looking for a passive income stream at a reasonable upfront cost that can provide returns enough to support your lifestyle here in the Philippines, then this investment would be ideal. And 4, if you're an investor or someone looking to invest for the first time in the Philippines that needs the expert guidance of someone like Antonio, then this would also be for you.
Now, I want you guys to know that the real estate and the rental prices in the Philippines is only going up.
Yep, that's right, Antonio. Maybe we have seen a drop in prices here, a drop in prices there, but let's be real. Not any of us has seen anything get any cheaper in the Philippines within the last 10 years. Anybody, whether it be locals and expats alike, have both seen that everything in the Philippines within the last 10 to 15 years has gotten more expensive. From what I see, we can either complain about it or we can be smart and use it to our advantage by investing it in a rental property that provides passive income to support your lifestyle here. And not to mention, as Antonio and I were talking earlier, he told me that it's quite common for a lot of his international clients to come here to the Philippines, buy a rental property, rent it out for 4 years, and then sell it when he wants to liquidate it. And so, just imagine being able to put even just a little bit of your investment savings into this property, earn passive income easily for 3 to 4 years, and once your property has grown in market value, you can then sell it for an extra couple million pesos. And by the way, if you're looking for a property manager here in the Philippines who can take care of your properties so that you have peace of mind, then we have contacts for you as well. Just feel free to message Antonio in the description down below and he'll hook you up with any real estate contact that you need. Alright, so Antonio, a few questions that we have for the viewers. What are the association dues like for this property?
Okay, for the association dues, it's only 95 pesos per square meter. So if you have a 22 square meter property, it costs around 2,200 pesos per month. Okay, those association dues will be used in the security, cleaning of the property, maintenance of the amenity area.
And so how about the amenities? What does that provide you with?
For the amenities, we have a gym, a lap pool, gazebo, function rooms, and a lawn area where you can spend time with your family.
Awesome. And actually on the way here, you were talking to me about the down payment terms and how there's also an option to not even put a down payment. You don't have to do that, or just a little down payment. How does that work for this property?
Okay, for Verge, we have a promo payment term for this month and next month. So you only have to reserve the unit for only 20,000 pesos. And for the price of the unit, it's 9 million. You only have to down 10% of the total price, which is around 800,000 pesos. And the 10% will be paid over 42 months. That will be 23,000 pesos only monthly.
Okay.
And the 80% balance will be payable by cash or bank financing.
Wow.
Yeah.
Wow, that's really good. So basically, with the terms on this unit at Verge Residences, for a one-bedroom unit with a balcony, by the way, you'd only have to pay around $460 roughly per month for this unit. And like Antonio said, you don't have to put down a big down payment. With this next 2-month promo, you're only gonna have to put down $400 and then pay $460 over the next 42 months. So actually quite easy to pay for this property, and it's not requiring a big down payment monthly either.
Yes. All you have to do is, settle the 10% spot down payment, and the 10% will be spread over to 42 months.
Over 42 months.
Yes.
Amazing.
23,297 to be exact. In pesos.
Amazing. And another thing that we were talking about in the car, you were mentioning to me of how a lot of your international clients get Philippine bank accounts so that they can finance their properties. How does that work?
Okay, if you're investing on Ayala property or Ayala brand, BPI is an Ayala brand. So BPI Bank is an Ayala bank. So if you're going to invest a property and you need a bank financing or opening an account, BPI can help you.
Awesome.
Yeah, open your own account, even if you're a foreigner.
Even if you're a foreigner.
Yeah.
And I know a lot of you guys watching this right now have asked me questions about how to open up your own Philippine bank account. You can actually get in contact for Antonio, not just for real estate, but also opening up your bank account here in the Philippines. And so you also said to me earlier that once they open up their bank account, they put those 42-month down payments on their Philippine bank account.
Yes.
Okay, so that would finance their property here.
Yes.
Awesome.
And then they can also, since it's 42 months, they can also put some of their money also in their local bank account. So if they want to bank financing the lump sum balance, the 80% lump sum balance, it's easy for the BPI bank to allow you loan here for the bank financing.
Wow, so even through this property, guys, you can get a loan out of it as well. So those are the basic details about the property. Anything else that you'd like to share?
For the Philippines, it's very nice to invest here in the Philippines right now. We're one of the fastest growing economy here in Southeast Asia, aside from China and other countries. Spending time here with your family in the future, if you're planning to have a retirement, it's very nice country, and the environment, the weather is very nice weather here. We only have the wet and dry season, so most of the time you can spend your time with your family outdoors, and we have a very nice tourist spots here in the Philippines. Aside from that, investing a property is one of the key or best tip for me for you to have a passive income here in the Philippines.
For sure. Yeah, I always preach that when you're coming here to the Philippines as a retiree, it's only right that you not just rely on your pension, but look for any sort of passive income stream to support your lifestyle while here, because you never know what may happen. And it's just nice to have that extra cushion knowing that where you're living is where you're also making your money. So thank you so much, Antonio.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
And so thank you all for watching this property tour. We hope that you got a lot of value out of this. Antonio and I will actually do more property tours in the coming future and also help you get information on how to go about banking here, property financing, and all that jazz. So thank you so much, Antonio,
You're
for
welcome.
this property
Thank
tour.
you.
And all of his information is going to be in the description. Thank you for watching.
Subscribe now.
Yep, subscribe and we'll see you in the next video. God bless.